Hi, welcome to Goldilocks Academy. My name is Clementine, and in this video today, I'm going to show you how to put on your Goldilocks lace topper. So let's get started. Here I have one of our Goldilocks human hair toppers. Our toppers are designed to clip on top of your own hair and add volume and length and cover up any thinning areas you might have. This is the inside of the cap. First, what you're going to do is you're going to go around and undo all of the clips. It's always easier to start if the clips are undone. So I'll go and do that now. There's 6 clips on these lace toppers and 1 comb in the front. So since the topper is designed to wear with your own hair, you're going to have your own hair out. You can tie your own hair up with the topper, but to start with, you'll have your own hair out. So just starting with your own hair pulled a little bit forward, the lace toppers sit really flat at the front. So unlike most silk toppers, you don't really have to blend a lot at the front. So these are great if you have a thinning hairline. So you're going to take the comb. We're going to put, this one has a middle part. So I'm going to put the middle part lined up with the middle part on my hair. Push the comb in, and I like to flick it over. Then you're going to push the topper flat. Before you start clipping, get the topper in the position you want. So I'm going to wriggle it around and make sure I like where it's sitting at the front there. I like it to sit right at the front of the hairline because I have a thinning hairline. Sit it nice and flat, and then once you've got it in the position you want, you can go around and clip the clips. So the clips are designed to scoop a little bit of hair and then easily close. They're pressure sensitive. Go around and get all 6 clips. You don't want to be pulling them down really tight so they're pulling your own hair. If you feel like it's pulling a little bit of hair, start again with that clip. Just unclip it. You just want to scoop a little bit of hair gently so that it's secure, but it's not pulling any of your own hair. So now the topper is on. You want to make sure your own hair is nicely blended. You want to check the front to make sure it looks really natural. And you're done. That's how easy they are. So I've now clipped on my human hair topper and I'm ready for the day. So I hope you found that video helpful. As you can see, the human hair toppers are really easy to use, easy to clip on, and they look great. Once it's on, you can also style them however you like, straight and sleek. You can tie them up into ponytails and things like that as well. Easily ear tuck. So again, thank you for watching. Hope you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful videos on human hair toppers and human hair wigs. And go and like this video. Bye.